and welcome back to another video. So this is just sort of a I'd say an introduction kind of ish video to a device that I got my hands on, and what we have here today is the 2019 OnePlus 9 Pro. Now I got this OnePlus 9 Pro for the price, as you can see on screen here, which is $30 plus $3 is shipping. You know, we don't make up stuff on this channel. It was actually just $33, as you can see here, which is a killer deal for a phone that was like, what, $700 when new. This phone is severely damaged. As you can see, there's a line across the screen. It has been cracked. The screen is cracked over here, and there is a white line which cannot be repaired, by the way. You cannot fix that. You have to replace the display. But still, everything else on the phone works just fine, and for $33, that's just a killer deal. It's easily up there with the $60 iPhone 11, the $56 N91, and then the $14 Nokia G10, and all the other really good deals that I got online. And this one is definitely one of the probably easily on the top 5 there. But yeah, so it is damaged, but I mean, for the price I got it, I'm not complaining. It's still somewhat usable. Usually the OnePlus 9 Pro, even in 2022, would still cost in excess of $600 in new condition, I think. And this one, I got it in the nick of time when it was on Offerup for the price I showed you earlier. But as usual, before jumping into the rest of this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the OnePlus 9 Pro. Do you have one? Do you own one? Do you plan on getting one? Do you plan on getting the newer OnePlus 10 instead? And the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 10 aren't drastically different. Apparently, according to some people, there are just a few incremental differences. Hell, a lot of people say the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 7 are still a great buy, so the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro are still up there. So let me know what you think about the OnePlus 9 Pro or anything else down in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to check out my social media, which is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. And now let's jump right into the rest of this video. So apart from the cracks and the damage and stuff, I also wanted to point out that this thing is missing its SIM card tray, which is no big deal. The SIM card tray is missing, and the rest of the damage goes for the cracks and stuff. And it was also Google locked, so I had to bypass the Google account, but that was really quick. It was like 4 minutes. I can easily bypass it. I didn't have to do anything fancy. It was just a quick bypass, so I got past that real quick. And if you want to know the difference between the OnePlus 9 Pro, the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro, a quick and easy way to tell is the Pro has 2 camera thingies at the bottom here. Well, one I think is a sensor. No, that's a camera. That's a camera. So it's got 2 cameras at the bottom, so 4 cameras overall. It's got 2 cameras over here, while the standard OnePlus 9 just has 1 camera over here. So the OnePlus 9 Pro has 2 cameras at the bottom here. The OnePlus 9 has a single camera. And ironically, here's another photo from the from the listing that I got this from. As you can see in the reflection, the seller is taking the photo with a OnePlus 9. The phone in the reflection there, that's a OnePlus 9. Notice the single camera there. So yeah, the seller has used a OnePlus 9 to take the photo of the OnePlus 9 Pro that he put on sale. So that's I noticed that, and I thought that's kind of ironic. But I was wondering, maybe it's this one is his old phone, but why would it still be Google locked? He could have just easily erased it. Maybe this one broke and he just didn't want to get it repaired, because replacing the displays, I'll talk about in a bit, are really expensive for these things. So he probably didn't want to get it repaired, and he bought the OnePlus 9 instead. But that wouldn't make sense because his account was on there. But I don't know. Maybe it was someone else's phone, maybe it was his phone, I don't know. But as you saw, the photo had been taken with a OnePlus 9. So yeah, $700 phone for $33. I'm not complaining at all. As you can see, there's damage up here. It's definitely a phone that has been roughly used, like it has not been taken care of. Damage over here. This is not one single drop. This is a separate drop over here. Then there was some damage. Okay, so separate drop over here, that's a separate drop, and then finally a killer blow over here, a seriously hard drop over there. So 3 separate drops, and it's easy to say that the previous owner, whoever he was, has not taken care of this phone. So it was just sort of a phone that was just there for tossing in your pocket and not using carefully, which is strange considering this phone is really expensive. This one's on the T-Mobile network as well. So as you can see, the fingerprint scanner also works, the under display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, that works. All the features on this phone work, the tap to wake, everything works. The 90 hertz display, everything works just fine. And let me show you, this is actually also the better model. This is the as you can see here, the 12 GB RAM 256 gig model. So it comes in 256, 128 gigs of storage. Oh no, sorry, it comes in 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. It also comes in 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and then the upper model, this one, is 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So this is the best model up on offer there, the most expensive model, and it's kind of sad with all this damage. I can't really use this thing to its fullest potential, so because though it is usable, it's a bit annoying not having that side of the screen there, but I'll try my best. I'm still getting used to it. This is a phone that I'm definitely looking forward to using. So why am I not replacing the display? A original replacement is about $300, $399. I've seen for $400. The cheap knockoff displays, which are LCDs, are also about $180. So yeah, I paid $33 for the phone. I'm not really ready to pay that much for a cheap replacement display, and if I want the good display, hey, $399, $400, not in the mood to pay that much. Nah, I'll try and use it like this. I think that's a better option. Maybe in the future, if the prices go down, or if I find a phone which is damaged in some other way, but the display is okay, maybe I can take it off that and put it onto this. But for now, I am not going to repair this. No way in hell am I paying that much for a display. But it's still kind of sad. Such a nice phone. It's a really nice phone to see it in this state. But hey, it is what it is. Also, the cameras work just fine, as you can see there. It's got the optical zoom lens, it's got the wide angle lens, as you can see. There's got the main lens, and etc. So it's got 4 cameras in total. And of course the front camera works as well with the cutout over there. This crack has narrowly missed the front camera, as you can see there. But I've tested everything works fine. Even the 120 hertz display, I've turned it off. Where was that? Let me go to display. But oh, it's pointless, you're not gonna see it anyway, but it does work. It's under advanced refresh rate. I've set it to 60 hertz, so you have smart 120 hertz. You're not gonna see it on camera anyway, so it's kind of pointless. You can also change the resolution. I've kept it at the max resolution, which is QHD. It's got about 500 pixels per inch, about 528 pixels per inch, so a really high resolution and pixel density as well. A gorgeous display, but sadly with this white line there. That's, I guess, something I'll have to just live with. But again, for $33, I'm not complaining. The phone works just fine. It's smooth, it's buttery, it feels really nice. It's running Android 11 now, Oxygen OS Android 11, so Android 11 with Oxygen OS. It has the update to Android 12. I haven't got to getting it updated yet. I'll probably update it later today, and we'll see what new features probably on this phone. I'm definitely going to be using this phone for a few weeks, and I'll definitely do a video on using the OnePlus 9 Pro here in 2022, so definitely stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, just a quick introduction video to the OnePlus 9 Pro. There's nothing much else I can talk about it. Probably easily the cheapest OnePlus 9 Pro for sale, as far as I can tell. I've never seen these go for that cheap of a price, but considering the damage, I could estimate the real worth of this phone, since the motherboard is good to go and all that stuff. I'd say $300, probably $280, well, upper 200s, $300 ish. maybe in the 350s, depending on the who's buying it. This phone is it's easily above $250 though, with this kind of display damage, because everything else works fine. Maybe the glass, I mean, that's not much damage over there. So I'd set the value of this phone probably in the lower 300s or upper 200s, but yeah, for 33 bucks, I'm not complaining. So yeah, I'll use this phone for about 2 weeks, and I'll give you my thoughts on using the OnePlus 9 Pro here in 2022. So definitely stay tuned for that by hitting that subscribe button. And if you honestly like this video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up on the like button down below, and also hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the OnePlus 9 Pro. Whatever you want to let me know down in the comment section, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Check out my social media, which is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.